Greetings, dear ones. I am Kryon of Magnetic Service. Let the listener know where we are. It is the first time that we are on the Nile, participating in all of the sounds. We'd like to speak to you personally today. It's not always going to be about Egypt. It won't always be about history. But the Nile is important, not just for this area, but for the civilizations that occupied it all up and down its 4,000-mile area. Dear ones, the Nile is like an umbilical cord for Egypt and for the rest of the areas. And the lifeblood is there of the civilization. And we wish to make it a metaphor today. It wasn't just important, it was everything. In fact, there is a saying that I would like you to practice if you make toasts on this wonderful journey. And the toast is also a metaphor. And the toast would be this: may you always drink from the Nile. And the metaphor is clear. The Nile is alive. It is the partner you have with Gaia. It is a mother energy. It is like saying, may you always drink from the creative source. May you always have that which loves you with you. May you always experience the love that the earth has for you. May you always drink from the Nile. Now we turn personal. I wish to talk to you personally. There is a Nile inside you. Like those in this area, it is everything to you. Sometimes it's beautiful and loving, other times it would seem harsh. And it's not water. It's not blood. Dear ones, I'll identify it and ask you if you have it. In you, in these days of this new energy, it is compassion. May you always drink from the compassion of God. May you always see others as God in you and them. Dear ones, there is a big connection to the earth here. For those who lived here, it was alive. The compassion of God is the same as the earth. Do you feel that? I say again, you have lost this in the modern civilization. The umbilical cord between you and God is compassion. They say the Nile is one of the longest rivers on earth. The beautiful north-flowing river. Compassion is one of the most strong energies on the planet. It can stop war. It can build understanding. It can feed millions. And it always flows north. The metaphor is clear. May you always have compassion in your life, for it will feed you and lift you up and tell you about the planet itself. This is a short message, as many of them will be, given in public places all over Egypt. Don't take this lightly, for the place you sit in is sacred, and the ancestors know what is happening at this moment. I'll tell you more about that later. And so it is.